Hello everyone. So once again I have done some investment. Okay, and this time I have done investment for this YouTube channel particularly. Okay, so if you have watched my previous videos, then I am doing investment in my life in one thing or another thing. For example, I have done investment in buying the in cooker, induction cooker and pan, okay, and different boxes and different cups, measuring cups, for investing in my cooking. Okay, that is the investment I did in cooking. Now in the same way, I have done some investment this time particularly for this YouTube channel. Okay, so what I have purchased, I have purchased this whiteboard. Okay, and I have purchased this marker here. Okay, marker and duster here. Okay, this investment is particularly for my YouTube channel directly. So whatever investments I have done till now, either I invest in buying the book or buying the cooker and all of that, that is my investment in my own personal life as well. For example, if I am showing my cooking on my YouTube channel, then cooking is helping me in my personal life as well. I am learning cooking. Okay, in the same way, if I am doing a purchase of a book, okay, and showing a video on this YouTube channel, then I am also doing then I am also doing it for my own as well. I am trying to read that book to learn something from that book. So there is investment for my personal life, either in cooking or reading books, buying books. Okay, but this time I have purchased this whiteboard especially for this YouTube channel. Okay, I don't know how much it would be helpful for me in my personal life, but this one would be helpful for my YouTube channel when I am trying to explain some concept to you, or when I am trying to show you something where I need to write something, then I will use this one here. Okay, so let's try to unbox this one. So first of all, I have this DOMS magnetic duster and the bolt here. Let me open it. It is hard to open with one hand. Okay, so that is here. Let me open it. Okay, so this is the DOMS magnetic duster I have purchased here. Okay, and this has two markers inside it, and this is the duster. See, this is the duster I have purchased. Okay, and see, this is like a cap. It's a kind of a cap here, and inside this one I am getting two markers as well. Okay, so this is the black marker. Even though I like black marker more, I was hoping I was getting two black markers, but anyway, one is a blue marker here. Okay, two black markers option was not available, but from the next time when I will buy the black markers. Okay, so these are the two markers are available. Then we have this duster available. Okay, so let's keep this here. Let's keep the markers here, this here and this as well. And then this is the whiteboard. So I have ordered a 3 by 2 whiteboard. So 3 feet in length and 2 feet in width. Okay, so that is the that is the whiteboard I have ordered. This is from Amazon. Okay, this is from Amazon. So let's try to open it, and then let's try to see. Okay, I need to use my both of the hands. Okay, let me put it like this here. I don't know if you will be able to see anything from here. Okay, first let me try by my hands. Let me try to open it. I should bring a knife. Okay. Okay, so this is the knife. Okay, so this is the knife. Let's try to open it with the help of knife. It is difficult to open it at the same time as. Okay, just one second. that is okay, just give me 1 second. Okay, so I have opened it. Now let me bring the whiteboard outside. Okay, so this is how the whiteboard looks like. I hope you are able to see a little bit. I am sorry for all of this. Basically it is taking me, it is much harder. um, okay, now it is outside. So the company name is Eduway. Okay. I'm so sorry. Okay, now the bolt is out. See, this is how the bolt is there. So now I should just cut it, right? Yes. Now I should just cut it from here, and then we will get our bolt. I don't want any scratch on my bolt. Okay, so this is how the board looks like. See, this is how the board looks like. So one side is chalkboard, which I am not going to use a lot, but this is a whiteboard. Okay, and it is very large in size. I wanted this large. See, this is how the size is, and you can write something on it. So this is where I will make my videos. Okay, let me okay, let me open this door. I want to show you this to you in good lighting condition. So whenever you are using a whiteboard, you should use it in good lighting conditions. Okay, so I can put the whiteboard here like this. I still need to clean a lot of this place. This is not very clean, but this is the place I'm thinking of, and this is the marker, and you can write anything on it, something like okay, and this is where I will explain all of my concepts here. uh, Abhinav, invest. Okay, and then we have duster as well. So that is how you can do, and you can write whatever you want to write. I think this is a good lighting condition. I can have a tripod as well when I'm explaining a concept here. My goal is to, I think it is a good lighting condition. I asked ChatGPT about it, and it says that when you are working on whiteboard, lighting conditions are very important. Is to upload 10K videos on YouTube. I am left-handed, by the way, so I think this looks good. Let me try the blue one as well. The blue one. I hope, oh, this color is also fine. As long as everything is visible properly, then it should be fine here. I hope you learn something from this journey of mine. Thank you. Yes, it is good. Looks good. Lighting conditions is good here. I will have a tripod here, and then you might be able to see me like this. But yes, I have to clean this place. So this is the place which I am not using a lot, but I need to clean this place, and this is basically how you might be able to see me writing something here. Okay, so yes, that is here. This is the whiteboard I have purchased here, and I will use this whiteboard for explaining different concepts and things here. Okay, so okay, then yes, that is my one update. This is the investment I have done particularly for my YouTube channel. Okay, so that I can explain some concepts to you, investment concepts or my life concepts or whatever I philosophy or whatever I do. I try to explain those concepts with this one as well. If I am reading a book and I need to give you a good summary of the book, then for that we can use this one. Okay, and I can give you summary on this one, explaining concepts to you. So I think this would be very helpful for me. Okay, so yes, that's it. This is my update for my life here. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for watching.